Good morning, my dear students. Welcome to our SS video class. As you know, we completed 3 chapters of PA2 syllabus and you will get MEA that 3 chapters. Fill in the blanks. If school will open, we will write subjective, otherwise we will get a objective paper of our MEA. Okay, so our 14th chapter is Delhi. क्या है? Delhi. Okay. So Delhi जो है already we knew the about Delhi. Delhi is our national capital. NCT. National capital है हमारा Delhi. 4 cities Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai and Kolkata are known as a metropolitan cities of India. कौन सी 4 cities हैं? Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai and Kolkata. New Delhi is the national capital of India. It is also known as the National Capital Territory of Delhi. Okay. Delhi lies on the bank of the river Yamuna. It shares its border with the state of Haryana and Uttar Pradesh. This is about our Delhi. Today we will read the chapter and underline the hard words. We already completed chapter. As you know, these all chapters are related one by one. हमने इतने दिन अपना कपड़ा, अपना मकान, अपना खाना ये सब देखा. अभी हम अपने देश के cities के बारे में हम आज read करेंगे. Okay. First city is chapter number 14, Delhi. Look at the map of Delhi. Delhi is the capital of India. This city has 2 parts, namely Old Delhi, second New Delhi. New Delhi became the capital of India in 1911. Earlier the capital of India was Calcutta, which is now known as Kolkata. Location Delhi. Delhi is located on the banks of a river. Do you see a river indicated by a blue line in the map? This river is the Yamuna. Haryana and Uttar Pradesh are its neighboring states. Climate. Delhi has a continental climate with very hot summers and cold winters. Rains are caused by the southwest monsoons between July to September. In December and January by the temperate cyclones. Historical background. Delhi is one of the oldest cities of India. There is a Killa known as Purana Killa. It is said to be built by the Pandavas. This city at that time was known as Indraprastha. The area near the Red Fort and the Jama Masjid was called Shahjahan Bagh. This was built by the Mughal Emperor Shahjahan. One part of Delhi is planned and is called New Delhi. It was planned by an English architect named Edwin Lutyens. It is a beautiful city. All government offices, Parliament House, Rashtrapati Bhavan and Supreme Court are situated in this area. Purana Killa. Delhi is one of the 7 union territories of India. Here in the place of 7 you have to add here 8. But it is special, it is called NCT, stands for National Capital Territory. New Delhi, Old Delhi and nearby areas are collectively called NCR, National Capital Region. Delhi is a metropolitan city. Name other metropolitan cities of India. There are foreign embassies in Chanakyapuri. Places worth visiting. Qutub Minar. You might have seen the picture below in your books or in charts. This is a very old monument. Qutub Minar is in Mehrauli area of Delhi. Qutub Minar. It was built in 1206 by Qutb-ud-Din Aibak. Calculate how old the Qutub Minar is. Lotus Temple. It is the Bhai house of worship. If you visit it, you will find it a very peaceful place. It is not very old. It was completed in 1986. People of all regions visit it to see its beauty. Lotus Temple, Rashtrapati Bhavan. Rashtrapati Bhavan, it is the residence of the President. It is situated on the Raisina Hills. It was built by the Britishers. It has a beautiful garden called the Mughal Gardens, which opens for the general public in the month of February every year. Visit it if you get a chance. Nearby, there are two blocks there are two blocks, example, North Block and South Block. These are a part of the Central Secretariat, which has Central Secretariat, which has the office of all the ministers and the Prime Minister. India Gate. Look at the picture of India Gate. It is 42 meters high. It was built in the memory of Indian soldiers who died who died in the First World War 1914 to 1918. India's tomb of the known soldiers, the Amar Jawan Jyoti, burns continuously with eternal flames here. Parliament House. Parliament House. The picture given below is of the Parliament House. Laws for the country are made here. Parliament has two houses, example the Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. Supreme Court. Supreme Court of India is the highest court of the country. Lal Killa. Lal Killa. Lal Killa or Red Fort was built by Shahjahan. Diwan I am Diwan I Khas, Shahi Burj and Moti Masjid are places of interest in the Red Fort. Jama Masjid, it is the largest masjid of India. It was also built by Shah Jahan. Jama Masjid. Other important places, if you go to Chanakyapuri, you will see many buildings with the different flags on them. These are the embassies of different countries. Near it is the Rail Museum. You can see the old railway engines here. Gurudwara Sisganj. Gurudwara Bangla Sahib, Dolls Museum, Akshardham Temple, Nehru Planetarium, Jantar Mantar, Pragati Maidan, Rajiv Chowk, Connaught Place, Humayun's tomb, etc. are also worth visiting. You can pay homage to the national leaders by visiting their samadhis. Rajghat. Rajghat, it is the samadhi of Gandhiji. Shantivan, it is the samadhi of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Vijay Ghat, it is the samadhi of Lal Bahadur Shastri. Shakti Sthal, it is samadhi of Indira Gandhi. Rajghat, Shantivan, Vijay Ghat, Shakti Sthal, Veer Bhumi. Veer Bhumi, it is the Samadhi of Rajiv Gandhi. Delhi Metro. Delhi Metro recent development is the introduction of metro trains. Journey by metro train is very quick and comfortable. Do you know you can travel free by the Delhi Metro if your height is below 3 feet? Education. There are many colleges and universities in Delhi. Delhi University, JNU, Jawaharlal Nehru University and Jamia University are the famous universities. Health services. There are many private and public hospitals in Delhi. The All India Institute of Medical Science, AIIMS, is the most important of them. Delhi is the heart of India and is full of activities. You might have heard of the Ram Leela Maidan where important public meetings are held. People from all regions, states, areas live in Delhi, making it a mini India. People speak different languages, wear different dresses, and celebrate different festivals, but there is great unity in this variety of diversity. Now, quick review. New Delhi was made the capital of New Delhi New Delhi was made the capital of India in 1911. It is situated on the banks of the river Yamuna. It has special status and is called NCT. There are many worth visiting places here. The Qutub Minar, the Red Fort, and the Jama Masjid are old monuments. India Gate and the Rashtrapati Bhavan, the Parliament House, and the Supreme Court are famous places and buildings. There are foreign embassies in Chanakyapuri. Rajghat is the Samadhi of Mahatma Gandhi. Delhi is a big educational center. Delhi is a mini India. Here people of all regions live together. This is reading of this chapter. Students, you have to complete hard words in your fair notebook. First you have to underline the hard words here. Okay. What you know about Delhi? Delhi is a main four cities like metropolitan cities. First is Delhi. Delhi जो है वो यमुना रिवर के बैंक में है. दिल्ली इज आवर कैपिटल ऑफ आवर इंडिया. ओके, दिल्ली हमारा कैपिटल है. ये यमुना नदी के किनारे पे है. दिल्ली जो है वो हरियाणा और उत्तर प्रदेश को अपना बॉर्डर शेयर करता है. दिल्ली का क्लाइमेट hot and dry in summer and dry winds called blue across city in summer months of May and June. यहाँ पे एक्सट्रीमली क्लाइमेट होता है, सॉरी कॉन्टिनेंटल क्लाइमेट होता है विथ अ वेरी हॉट समर्स एंड कोल्ड विंटर्स. ओके. हिस्टोरिकल सिटी, ये जो है ये हिस्टोरिकल सिटी है. यहाँ पे पहले पांडवास का राजधानी था ऐसे बोला जाता है और बाद में मुगल एम्परर शाहजहां इसको बोला जाता है. ओके. न्यू दिल्ली वॉज प्लान्ड एंड डिजाइंड बाय ब्रिटिश आर्किटेक्ट एडविन लिटनेस. दिल्ली हम यहाँ पे बहुत सारे हमारे गवर्नमेंट ऑफिसेस भी दिल्ली में हैं. हमारे प्राइम मिनिस्टर राष्ट्रपति भी कहाँ रहते हैं? दिल्ली में रहते हैं. Today's work is you have to read this chapter and you have to underline this chapter hard words, and afterwards you have to write the hard words in your fair notebook. Okay, take care, bye bye.